Right then, let's talk about something truly special. We're diving into the world of Mercedes-Benz. This isn't just about cars, you see. It's about a legend, a story that started over a century ago. Carl Benz, Gottlieb Daimler. These chaps weren't just tinkering in sheds. They were inventing the future. They gave us the first car, the three-pointed star. You see it, and you instantly know. It whispers of quality. It shouts about innovation. It sings a song of luxury. It's more than just a badge on a bonnet. It's a promise of engineering excellence. So buckle up! We're about to take a peek behind the curtain. Every great Mercedes-Benz begins not with metal or machinery, but with a spark. An idea. A tiny flicker in the mind of a designer or an engineer. It might start as a simple sketch on a napkin, or perhaps a sudden thought during a late-night drive. What if? That's the powerful question that ignites the whole process. These aren't just any ideas, mind you. They are ambitious, they are bold, they are aiming to redefine what a car can be, what it can do, and how it makes you feel. It's about dreaming big, really big. This initial phase is a whirlwind of creativity. Designers, engineers, market researchers, they all come together. They brainstorm, they debate, they challenge each other. They fill whiteboards with scribbles and concepts. They're trying to capture the essence of Mercedes-Benz while also pushing into new territory. What will the next generation of drivers want? What new technologies can enhance the experience? It's about creating something that is not just a machine, but a piece of moving sculpture. Once those initial sparks have ignited a proper bonfire of ideas, it's time to bring them into a more tangible form. But we're not quite at the clay model stage yet. First, the designers turn to their digital canvases. This is where computer-aided design, or CAD as it's known in the biz, comes into its own. Think of it as the most sophisticated sketching and sculpting toolkit imaginable. These designers are digital Michelangelos, shaping lines and surfaces with incredible precision, all within the virtual world. Using powerful software, they can create breathtakingly realistic 3D models of the car. They can play with proportions, tweak curves, and experiment with different design elements. Every surface, every crease, every highlight is meticulously crafted. They can simulate how light will play across the bodywork. They can even conduct virtual wind tunnel tests to see how aerodynamic their creation is. This isn't just about making it look pretty, it's about ensuring form and function dance together in perfect harmony. The digital blueprint created here is incredibly important. It will guide every subsequent step of the manufacturing process. Right, so the car looks stunning on the screen, but a Mercedes-Benz is so much more than just a pretty face, isn't it? Now the engineers, those brilliant boffins, really get stuck in. This is where the raw power, the incredible refinement, and the mind-boggling technology are painstakingly developed. They take those beautiful designs and figure out how to make them work. Not just work, but work flawlessly, powerfully, and with that unmistakable Mercedes-Benz character. The engine, the heart of the beast, is a masterpiece of engineering in itself. Whether it's a thumping V8, a sophisticated hybrid, or a cutting-edge electric powertrain, it's designed for performance, efficiency, and longevity. They simulate thousands of hours of operation, subjecting virtual components to extreme stresses. They refine combustion processes, optimize airflow, and reduce friction to an absolute minimum. The goal is to create an engine that delivers exhilarating power smoothly and reliably, year after year. It's proper brain-hurting stuff, but they love it. Section 5, the Dance of Giants, where steel meets unyielding force. With the designs locked in and the engineering blueprints perfected, it's time to start shaping some serious metal. This is where the car begins its physical journey from raw materials to a gleaming machine. The first major step is often the press shop, or stamping plant. We're talking about colossal presses, some weighing thousands of tons that exert unimaginable force to shape flat sheets of high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum into the intricate panels that will form the car's body. Imagine giant cookie cutters, but for car parts, and on a scale that boggles the mind. Rolls of metal, gleaming under the factory lights, are fed into these mechanical behemoths. Then, with a mighty crunch, the press comes down, and in an instant, a flat sheet is transformed into a perfectly formed door panel, a bonnet, or a complex structural component. The precision is absolutely critical here. We're talking tolerances measured in fractions of a millimeter. Any deviation could cause problems further down the line, so everything has to be spot on. The dies themselves, the tools that shape the metal, are incredible feats of engineering. They are meticulously crafted and maintained, as they are the key to achieving those sharp creases and flowing curves that define a Mercedes-Benz. The raw power on display is immense, yet it's all controlled with incredible finesse. Section 6. The Symphony of Assembly Robots and Artisans in Harmony. Once the body in white is complete, looking like a ghostly metal sculpture of the car-to-be, it embarks on its journey down the main assembly line. This is where the magic truly happens, where all the thousands of individual components come together in a meticulously choreographed sequence. It's often described as a symphony, and for good reason. There's a rhythm, a flow, a sense of purpose as the car moves from one station to the next, gradually transforming from a bare shell into a recognizable Mercedes-Benz. Robots play a huge part, of course. You'll see them lifting heavy components, applying adhesives with perfect consistency, and performing repetitive tasks with tireless precision. They are the unsung heroes of modern car manufacturing, ensuring quality and efficiency. They might install the windscreen or perhaps the entire dashboard assembly with a grace and accuracy that is simply mesmerizing to watch. These aren't just dumb machines, they are highly sophisticated pieces of equipment, programmed and maintained by skilled technicians. They are essential to building cars to such exacting standards. But it's not all robots, not by a long shot. The human touch remains absolutely vital in crafting a Mercedes-Benz. Section 7. A coat of armor, a touch of soul painting and interior craftsmanship. Before the mechanical heart and the luxurious interior can be fully installed, the car body needs its protective and beautiful coat of paint. This isn't just a quick splash of color, oh no. The Mercedes-Benz painting process is an incredibly sophisticated, multi-stage affair designed to provide a flawless, durable, and stunningly deep finish. The body in white, now gleaming and perfectly assembled, first undergoes a series of cleaning and pre-treatment baths. This ensures the metal is pristine and ready to accept the paint, creating a bond that will last for years and resist the elements. Then comes the electrocoating, or E-coat. The car body is dipped into a massive tank and an electrical charge is applied, causing paint particles to adhere uniformly to every nook and cranny, even inside hidden cavities. This provides a crucial layer of corrosion protection. After this, multiple layers of primer, base coat, the actual color and clear coat are applied, often by robotic arm spraying with incredible precision in clinically clean paint booths. Each layer is baked in an oven to cure it, resulting in that deep, lustrous shine that is a hallmark of Mercedes-Benz. Section 8. The crucible of quality enduring trials for ultimate perfection. Right, the car is assembled. It looks magnificent. It smells of new leather and fine engineering. But it's not ready to meet its new owner just yet. Before any Mercedes-Benz is allowed to leave the factory, it must pass through a gauntlet of rigorous quality control checks and demanding tests. This is where the commitment to perfection is put to the ultimate test. Every single car is scrutinized, poked, prodded, and driven to ensure it meets the incredibly high standards that the three-pointed star represents. There's no room for nearly right here. It has to be absolutely perfect. Inspectors, with their eagle eyes and trained hands, go over every inch of the car. They check the paint finish for any imperfections, no matter how tiny. They examine the panel gaps, ensuring they are uniform and precise. They test every switch, every light, every function. Does the sunroof glide smoothly? Do the windows operate silently? Is the infotainment system responsive? Nothing escapes their attention. They are the gatekeepers of quality, the final guardians ensuring that only flawless vehicles proceed. Section 9. Beyond the three-pointed star. Driving a legend, owning a dream. And so, after a journey through imagination, precision engineering, robotic ballets, and human artistry, a new Mercedes-Benz is born. It rolls off the final inspection line, gleaming under the lights, ready to meet the world. But it's more than just a car. It's the culmination of over a century of innovation, a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence. Each one carries the legacy of Carl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler, pioneers who dared to dream of a horseless carriage, and in doing so, changed the world forever. That's quite something to have parked on your driveway. The impact of Mercedes-Benz on the automotive industry is undeniable. They've consistently been at the forefront of technological advancement, introducing countless safety features, performance innovations, and luxury refinements that have often become industry standards. Think of the crumple zone, the anti-lock braking system, ABS, the airbag. These are just a few examples of Mercedes-Benz innovations that have saved countless lives and made driving safer for everyone. They don't just build cars, they shape the future of mobility. They set the benchmark that others strive to reach. For customers, owning a Mercedes-Benz is often the realization of a dream. It's a symbol of achievement, a statement of taste, and an assurance of unparalleled quality and comfort.